Today we're back at Mountain Mike's Pizza here in Lake Forest, California to try their new wings. So if you saw my other video, they have awesome pizzas, but we're going to try their wings today. So they've got Frank's Red Hot sauce. Got buffalo, honey garlic, sweet chili, and original barbecue. And you can order them in packs of 6, 12, and 24. So we're going to go in and check it out and then eat some more pizza. Look at all these wings. We're going wing crazy here. So I'm going to go ahead and try it and let you know which things. So this is the KC Masterpiece Original Barbecue Sauce. I love KC Masterpiece. They make a really good barbecue sauce, so it works well with these wings. Sweet, smoky, good. Okay. Next up is the sweet chili sauce. If you've ever had lumpia or egg rolls, there's a kind of a sweet chili dipping sauce that you get with those. That's exactly what it tastes like. Really sweet. Get a little bit of heat, but it's not like uncomfortable. It's very mild, but you get that nice chili flavor. Really good. Okay, next is the buffalo wing sauce. Got that perfect red Frank's Red Hot orange color. So perfect. If you like buffalo wings, that's the perfect bite. It's got that hot sauce flavor and then that kind of vinegary back, like it comes back on you. It's like, that's good. Okay. And the last one is the stinging honey garlic sauce. I was kind of excited to try this one. So let's see. Okay, how to describe this? It's kind of like a combination of char siu, like if you've had char siu pork, kind of that char siu flavor with hoisin sauce, kind of like a plum sweet sauce. It's actually really good. It has a nice garlic flavor to it. After the sweetness hits you, the garlic kind of comes back on you. But that is delicious. I think this is my favorite flavor. Okay, so let's talk about the architecture of this beautiful wing. So we have to take a bite so you can. It's got that perfect chicken wing texture. It's not super crispy on the outside like a fried chicken, but it's got that nice firm outside that'll cling to the sauce that you toss it in. The inside is nice and juicy, so it's like really flavorful. So good. I'm gonna take another bite. Okay, we like the wings, but I can't come to Mountain Mike's without having pizza. So this is a new flavor that we're going to try today. It's the Snowy Alps. So it's got a white sauce, which is my favorite. So, and then you got those star pepperonis in there. So let's go in and take a bite. Looks like we've got tomatoes, mushrooms, pepperoni, green onions, olives, sausage. I think that's it. Let's go in. That is so good. So it's like a kind of like your supreme pizza, meat and vegetables with a white sauce. So good. Okay, I know we're at Mountain Mike's and we had pizza and we had wings, but we need something sweet, just a little something sweet. And they have like a, almost like a pizza cookie. Looks like it's a chocolate chip. You press it, cut it like a pizza pie. So let's dig in. You can see the, oops, freaking gooey chocolate. Look at that. Okay, I already broke this part off, so I will eat it. This reminds me of my childhood. My mom used to make the Nestle Toll House like sheet pan cookie. This tastes exactly like it. So good. So Mom, this is for you. I hope you enjoyed this look at Mountain Mike's chicken wings offerings that they have with Frank's Red Hot sauces and KC Masterpiece barbecue sauce. And it's just in time for football season, so you can order chicken wings and pizza and watch the game either here or you can watch it at home. So come out and try it. Let me know what your favorite wing sauce is. Ours is the stinging honey garlic sauce, so you gotta try it if you're out here, and let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Mahalo.